Hey guys, Jenna Citrus here. So I just got done changing my first toilet seat. I've made it this long and I've not had to change the toilet seat yet, but I thought I would share some of my newfound information with you. The first problem I kind of came into, because I've never done one before, so this is my first time, was you have to choose if you have a circular toilet or an oval toilet. I thankfully guessed the right one. I had an oval toilet and then got it home. The hardest part was getting the toilet out of the box because it was screwed in with, or it wasn't screwed in, had really sticky cardboard, but got it, good job there. Excuse me, so I got my old toilet seat off, and I did that with a standard screwdriver, and then do not forget there are nuts on the bottom of those big screws. You just have to pop up those plastic covers, get your screwdriver in there, and then go on the bottom. That took me a minute to figure out, so got that. Yeah, this is just a DIY, figured it out yourself. Here's my learning experience. So I did that, and then just kind of swapped them out. And while there was no toilet on there, this is the first and only time you ever get to have a truly clean toilet bowl, because I can never clean all the way around those silly holes. But got that done, cleaned the toilet, and put the new one back on, wham bam, screw it in, and as far as I'm aware, there you go. I might have to tighten it down later, but it's as tight as I can get it for now. So thanks for watching, and I hope you have learned how to change a toilet seat lid. A couple tricks and tips of the trade that I am now in. But alright, good luck for those of you that are ready to do DIY home improvement stuff. You can do it. We can help. Actually, no, I can't help. I have to work on this project.